Good day, everyone. I'm Patricia Litawan of the Batch 18 Titanium. Greetings to Director J. Shayarma and to our energetic instructor, Miss Marites Sambatale, and to my fellow students, and also her assistant, Rachel. Thank you so much, NCME. We've finished this almost 3 months. For the good experience, we've learned a lot. Going to our OGT, especially in Shaalam and KLC Ampang, having those personal touch with the patients, it was quite an experience. Thank you. I will never forget this. It was good. Hopefully, more students for the batch 19. The NCMA will attract more. And good luck to your training center. Thank you for this knowledge we've learned from your training center. And hopefully, we'll be landing a good caregiving job. Thank you so much. And that was it. All I can say is thank you.
Being a worker and a student is quite hard. But by perseverance and determination in chasing my dreams, I managed to balance it and never expected to be one of your top students. My heart is full of gratitude, and I would like to thank first and foremost our Almighty God for His provision, for He never failed to provide all I need, though financial problems pop up. Same as to my friends and family for their moral supports and encouragement through this journey. I love you guys. A big thanks to our Managing Director, Mr. J. Sharma, for your exceptional leadership and dedication to NCMA. Your vision and commitment to providing quality education have positively impacted students, including myself. To my kind-hearted advisor, Mrs. Marites Ambatali, and Ms. Rachel Obenza, her assistant trainee, accept my most sincere appreciation to you both for being a good mentor and a friend to everyone. You taught us how to get along with everybody. Thank you for your patience for molding us. I have learned a lot about basic caregiving procedure, such as emergency, CPR, ambulance procedure, and physiotherapy. I have attended 4 times on-the-job training of Senior Care Damansara. I know and I hope that I can apply all I've learned in the future. To my fellow classmates, we did it. And for some of us accomplished something we never imagined we could. But here we are, with those who never stopped believing in us. We're living proof that it's not only possible but it's never too late to conquer the dreams we made. I'm Crystalline Agas, Section Titanium Batch 18. Mabuhay ang CMA!
Hello guys, this is Myla and I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to NCMA for the wonderful experience I had in your caregiver course. I really enjoyed the hands-on training, especially in nursing homes, the CPR and ambulance training, and the physiotherapy training. Thank you for your dedication and passion for shaping compassionate and skilled caregivers. And most especially, I would like to thank our beloved instructor, Ms. Marites Ambatali, for sharing your passion and for teaching us. I'm excited to apply everything I've learned in my future role as a caregiver. Thank you, NCMA.